Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious coconut horchata. In case you guys want to learn how I make this super refreshing recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1.5 cups of white rice, 1 large cinnamon stick, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of sliced almonds, 1 cup of sugar, 5.5 cups of water, and cheesecloth. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by rinsing our rice. So I'm going to use my strainer. Just gonna transfer all my rice. Make sure you get all of it. So once it's nicely rinsed, we're going to transfer it back into our bowl, and you want to make sure that your bowl that you're going to transfer your rice is going to be big enough to fit the rice plus 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to add my cinnamon stick in here, and now let's work on the water. So in a small saucepan we're going to add 1.5 cups of water, and we're just going to bring it to a boil. Alright, so once our water is boiling, we're going to transfer it with the rice. So just add it in with your rice. Okay. So now we're going to cover it and let it sit overnight. Alright, so this one I made last night, and this is what it looks like. So now we are ready to transfer it and make our horchata. Alright, so we're going to transfer our rice mixture into our blender. Alright, so now we're going to mix it for about 5 minutes. Alright, so once our mixture is mixed, we are ready to strain it. Alright, so I'm going to grab a piece of my cheesecloth and place it on top of my strainer. So now we're just going to add our mixture. And you can always use the rice flour, like I did in my previous videos as well. Okay. So we're just going to strain all this. And it's going to take a while. So the cheesecloth is going to help separate the rice and the cinnamon, so like that our drink is not so powdery. Like using the rice, it makes our drink very powdery, so you just want to kind of separate that. So we're able to enjoy our horchata. So you just want to move it around, do not press it down. We're almost done, almost done. Alright, so once we have separated our rice and cinnamon, we're going to move on. Alright, so once we have our base, I just rinsed my strainer in my blender. Okay, and I'm going to add my almonds, my condensed milk, my coconut milk, and my sugar. And now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, so we're just going to mix it all together until our almonds are completely crushed. Alrighty, so after a minute, we're going to strain our mixture into our... So once we have our coconut almond milk, we're going to strain it into our pitcher. So just move it around. just your almonds. I'm going to add my condensed milk. And my milk. And our water. Okay, so we're done with that. Horchata, it's almost done. We're just going to mix it. Try it, and if you think it's too sweet for you, add more water. And I'm just going to add some ice because for us it's perfect. So now we're just going to fill it up with ice, and that's basically it for our coconut horchata. We are ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Super delicious, super refreshing, perfect. Yeah, you guys can always add cinnamon, you know, sprinkle some cinnamon on top, but to be honest, this is just perfect. I seriously hope you guys give this recipe a try, and always remember to mix before you serve. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, my super easy and delicious coconut horchata. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.